Dougie Fresh, Eazy Mac.
Shout out to Miss Humphrey.
Swoop!
Stats rap music.
Eazy Mac a statistician, so here is my rendition. But before you panic, let's just check all our conditions. We got normal, independent, and we can't forget random for a test of significance. Make sure you're using phantoms. If p-values low, reject HO. Null hypothesis, no evidence for HA. Sorry man, then you're dropping it. And if you're doing panic, use a confidence interval. But if zero's in your interval, your confidence is minimal.
If you see a problem that you don't know, man, look to your calc, it's got some dope programs. First off, normal CDF, use it to find the probability of X. Randomness, independence, and normality are all necessary to find out the probability. If it's normal and you have area, mu, and theta, go down one to inverse norm and input that data. The test statistics are just variable substitution. Determining the right test might be the source of confusion. If you need a test of association solution, account for the right skew with the chi-square distribution.
Let's get a 5.
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 Got the exam, we going ham. Use my TI on all of this, that's programs. Let's get a 5.
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 P-value low, reject HO. Dougie Fresh and Eazy Mac, we hope you know.
The difference between binomial and geometric might seem frightening. If it's binomial, check your bins like you're recycling. Study hard and do your practice and you won't need a tutor. If it's geometric, use your bits like you're an old computer. Geometric, trials until success are uncertain. Binomial, the number of trials are predetermined. You think you won't get a 5? Yo, that's preposterous. You're a smart student. Put the test in a sarcophagus.
I spit it so mean, like X bar or mu. And median is greater if you got a rightward skew. For a sample S of X, theta for a population. Average distance from the mean, we call it a standard deviation. Now if you need some help, go to the late night study session. Especially if you're doing scatter plots with regression, correlation measures, DOFs. And R is now our letter. If you got a higher square, then you know the line fits better.
Let's get a 5.
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 Let's get a 5. Got the exam, we going ham. Use my TI and all of it, that's programs. Let's get a 5.
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 P-value low, reject HO. Dougie Fresh and Eazy Mac, we hope you know.
Don't panic when you need to make a confidence interval. Just know that using your calculator is integral. As long as you have a point estimator, add and subtract the critical value times the statistic theta. First you press stats and then go to tests. Use all these right and leave the test in past tense. Given 2 claims and you need to test them out. You'll be seeing phantoms like you're in a haunted house.
Be careful of errors with the significance test. Type 2 errors when you accept HO, when you should reject, and type 1's falsely rejecting. Abbreviated theta, rejected HO cause your p-value wasn't greater. Dougie Fresh and Eazy Mac, yeah, we rapping on the track and we killing every rap and you know ripping stats. No tougher stress to me, enter to the rest and you know that we the best. Get a 5 on the test. Dougie Fresh and Eazy Mac, killing on the track, killing every rap and you know ripping stats. No tougher stress to me, enter to the rest and you know that we the best. Get a 5 on the test.
Let's get a 5.
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 Let's get a 5. Got the exam, we going ham. Use my TI and all of this, that's programs. Let's get a 5.
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 P-value low, reject HO.
Dougie Fresh and Eazy Mac, we hope you know.
Shout out to 143 TV Studio for the equipment. Swoop!